Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel guys. So dear students, we have started a series for CUET 2022 aspirants. Series name is Must Know Reasoning Ability Concepts with MCQs, right? So this will help you a lot, right? So CUET aspirants, this series definitely help you a lot. We will discuss different important concepts with MCQs in this series one by one. So the first topic of this series is that is linear arrangement, right? Topic covered. That topic that will cover in this series is linear seating arrangement, right? Linear seating arrangement. So guys, arrangements. So dear students, there are two types of arrangement. First one, the linear seating arrangement problems. Second, circular seating arrangement problems, right? So let's start with linear seating arrangement problems. So in this video, I will discuss only linear seating arrangement problem, right? Not problems only. First, I will discuss concepts of linear seating arrangement. After that, I will solve one MCQ on this linear seating arrangement, right? In next video, I will discuss a beautiful set based on linear seating arrangement. Got it, guys? So just have a look, guys. First one. So basically, based on the difficulty of the questions, you may get to see quite a lot of different scenarios like all students sitting in one row facing north. This can be the scenario. This is the easiest problem, right? All seated all seated in one row facing south, right? All seated in one row facing different directions, or you can say all seated in two parallel rows facing each other, all seated in two parallel rows facing different directions, right? So basically the easiest one is that this one, and this is the difficult one. इस order में, increasing order में ये difficulty level के according. तो क्या होता है in first one, all seated in one row facing north. Let's say there are 6 person. ये एक रो में अरेंज करना है. Let's say 6 person को. All are facing north. All are facing north. So dear students, so let's say we have person like A, B, C, D, E, F. तो क्वेश्चन दे देगा कि A sits second to the right of B, C sits third to the right of D, and so on, वगैरह वगैरह. So you have to arrange these 6 person on these 6 places accordingly, according to the information that is given in the question, right? उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको अरेंज करना पड़ेगा इन 6 पर्सन को. अगर सबका फेस नॉर्थ होता है ना, चीज आसान होती है. क्यों होती है? देखो, नॉर्थ है तो इस पर्सन का राइट आपका राइट सेम है, इसका लेफ्ट आपका लेफ्ट एक क्लास है, तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं होता है. बट इट इज इफ इट इज गिवन लाइक कि दिस पर्सन फेसिंग साउथ, अब थोड़ा सा उल्टा हो जाता है. पर्सन फेसिंग साउथ, अब ये हो जाएगा इसका लेफ्ट, ये आपका राइट है साइड, तो ये हो जाएगा इसका लेफ्ट और ये हो जाएगा इसका राइट, राइट. तो नो नीड टू वरी. क्या करना है, आप इमेजिन कर लो कि यू आर सिटिंग हियर और आप इधर देख रहे हो, आपका लेफ्ट किधर होएगा, तो ऑब्वियसली आप सोच सकते हो इजीली कि ये लेफ्ट होएगा राइट. नो नीड टू वरी, जस्ट फॉलो दिस कांसेप्ट. इमेजिन कर लो दैट यू आर सिटिंग देयर, यू कैन सॉल्व इजीली, राइट. तो आई विल डिस्कस now I will discuss some important information that will help you a lot to easily solve the such questions. First one is, if A is sitting to the immediate left of B, then it also means B is an immediate right of it, obviously. Let's say A is sitting to the immediate left of B. So guys, let's say B is here. So A is immediate left of B. So A should be at this place. A should be at this place. तो अगर A B के immediate left है तो B क्या हुआ? B is an immediate right of it. अगर इनका face towards north है तो obviously मैं ले रहा हूँ they are facing towards north. One more thing guys, let's say we have 5 places, 1 2 3 4 5, and B is sitting here. अब मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ कि A sits to the left of B. A sits या फिर A is sitting to the left of B. कहाँ बैठ रहा है? To the left of B. So let's say the positions are 1 2 3 4 5. Tell me the position of A. A बैठ रहा है to the left of B. देखो, कुछ लोग सोचेंगे सर 3. No, 3 is not the right answer. अगर बोलता है immediate left, अगर बोलता है A is sitting to the immediate left of B, so the position of A definitely should be this one, 3. But left of B, तो anywhere. Left of B means A यहाँ भी हो सकता है, यहाँ भी हो सकता है, यहाँ भी हो सकता है. Left means this one. So there is a difference between left and immediate left. So इसमें confuse नहीं होना. If not specified that all the people are facing toward the center or north, toward the center in case of circular arrangement, we will discuss it later. So if it is not given that all are facing north, तो कुछ भी नहीं given है तो assume कर लेना. If not specified किधर face है तो assume that all the person are facing north. इससे easy हो जाती है. Third point, if you are unable to get any useful information from the sentence, then better skip that line and move to the next line. Then re-examine the skipped sentence after going through other sentences. The point, this is a very important point. तो क्या होता है arrangement की problem में 6 to 7 statements आपको generally given होते हैं. तो कुछ वो randomly statements दे देते हैं. Second वाला random दे दियो, last में use होना है. तो उस टाइम पर कंफ्यूज नहीं होना कहाँ पुट करें कहाँ फिल करें, उसको लीव कर दो, लास्ट में आएंगे, लास्ट में पिक कर लेंगे उसको. राइट, दैट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वन. जो यूज कर सकते हो पहले उन्हें कर लो, जो नहीं कर सकते वो लास्ट में करेंगे. द मीनिंग ऑफ एंड हु एंड एडजेसेंट इन सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट्स. सो गाइस, द मीनिंग ऑफ एडजेसेंट, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एडजेसेंट? एडजेसेंट मींस नेबर्स. इफ इट इज गिवन लाइक की लेट्स से A is here, 1 2 3 4 5, and it is given B is sitting adjacent to A. B बैठा हुआ है adjacent to A. Tell me the position of B. तो B यहाँ भी हो सकता है, B यहाँ भी हो सकता है. Means neighbor होंगे, right? That's the meaning of adjacent. Means neighbors, immediate neighbors. Second one, if and is given in the sentence, like A sits third to the right of B. Let's say A sits third to the right of B. Let's say P is here. मैं assume कुछ direction होता, I am assuming that all are facing north. So A sits third to the right of P. So P is here. Third to the right means first right of P, second right of P. That is the third right of P. Right. A sits third to the right of P and sits. So guys, this end is for the first person. देखो, A is third to the right of P and sits means and A sits. A sits third to the right of P and sits means A sits. And किसके लिए यूज होता है? फर्स्ट पर्सन के लिए. Again, this and is for A. A sits third to the right of P and sits fourth to the right of P, and A also sits fourth to the right of P. So T should be here. So A fourth to the right of T भी है. So first right, second right, third right, fourth right. So that's the correct situation basically. So it denotes sits to the third right of P. A sits fourth right of P. Right. The given information is talking about the first person. So this is also written here. Next important point is adjacent. Adjacent means next to each other, right? Not opposite to each other, basically. For example, A and B adjacent to each other, which means they are immediate neighbors of each other. This thing I have already told you. If who is given in the sentence, who? For example, A sits third to the right of P. Who sits? So basically, this who is for P, guys. So this who is for P, the second person. जिसके बाद आएगा who उसके लिए basically. So A sits third to the right of P, like. Let's say this is P. This is P. A sits first right, second right, third right. A sits third to the right of P. Who sits? Means P sits. Who sits? P sits. This who is for P, right? Second person. Four to the right of P. P sits four to the right of P. 1 2 3. So this should be T. First right, second right, third right, P right. So this should be the scenario, right? So it is written here. देखो, who किसके लिए होता है? Second person के लिए basically, जिसके बाद आया है, right? So just keep these points in your mind, right? These points help you a lot. Mistake नहीं होगी. Now some other important points. In a linear arrangement problems, if A is 3 places away from B, if A is 3 places away from B is given, then 3 minus 1, 2 pupils sit between them. For example, A is here, or let's say B is here. It is given कि B is, if A is 3 places away from B, if A is 3 places away from B means 2% between. 3 places away, 2% between. 4 places away, 3% between. So B is here, so A is 3 places away, तो यहाँ हो सकता है 2% between. A should be here, या फिर at this location. दोनों साइड हो सकता है ना. If in a linear arrangement, if A is 3 places away from B means 2% between. So first place away, second place away, third place away, right? 2% between. So इसमें confuse नहीं होना है. Is this point clear to all? Tell me. अब ये बोलता है, if the question is like if A is 3 pupil away from B and to the left of B. To the left of B तो A होता है इस जगह, and right of B इस जगह, right? So second tip, candidates need to keep following points in mind while solving the linear arrangement based questions, right? When A is second to the left of B, let's say B is here. B is a second to the left means this point, A should be here. When A is second to the right of B, let's say B is here. Second to the right means at this place. When A is 2 places away from B, or B is 2 places to the left of A, both are same thing basically. 2 places away, 1 person between. 2 places to the left, both are same things. A is 2 places to the right of B. Look, A is 2 places to the right of B means 1 person between B and A. Right mein A should be here, 1 person between. And B is 2 places to the left of A, obviously first, second. Last one is when there are 2 people between A and B, 2 person between A and B. So either this one, you have to make 2 cases here. दोनों केस लेने पड़ेंगे. 2 people between A and B. या तो ये हो सकता है और ये भी. या फिर वो मेंशन करेगा A left में B के right. Otherwise you have to take 2 cases parallel, right? Now solve this question, guys. 6 friends A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the example. You have to answer it. तो एक काम करना, वीडियो जस्ट पॉज करना फॉर 30 सेकंड और 1 मिनट, खुद सॉल्व करना, देन सॉल्यूशन देखना, राइट? पहले खुद फाइंड करना. तो 6 friends A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting in a row facing towards north. Okay, now we do not know the positions of these 6 friends, but you have to find. These are six places for these 6 friends. A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting in a row facing north. All they are facing north. C is sitting between A and D. C is sitting between A and D. So you have to make 2 cases. C is sitting between A and D. Either this way or this way. Both are possible. C is sitting between A and D. D is not at the end. D is not at the end. You cannot put D. End means this first and last position. End पर नहीं हो सकता है. D cannot be sit at end, right? It is written here, obviously. B is sitting immediate right of E. B is sitting immediate right of E. B is sitting immediate right of E. In this case, C is immediate right of E. That means ये तो out हो गया. Now you have to consider this one. If B is sitting immediate right of E, so B should be here. B should be here, right? F is not at the right end. Right end means though this is right end, this is left end. F you cannot put F here. F भी नहीं आ सकता, D भी नहीं आ सकता. You cannot put D and F at this place. And here D नहीं आ सकता. Right. Now guys, A, C, E, B. These 4 persons should be at 4 consecutive places. 4 consecutive places. A, C, E, B. कौन कौन रह गया? D and F. D and F. देखो. If you put let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If you put A, C, E, B at these 4 places, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, C, at 2, 3, 4, 5, A, C, E, B. So D या तो फिर तो first में आएगा, last में आएगा, but that is not possible. You cannot put D at the end places, right? So that means this is wrong. Similarly, if you start with this position, A को यहाँ लेते हो अगर A, C, E, B, ये तो 4 consecutive पे आने हैं. A, C, E, B should be at 4 consecutive places. तो D देखो, अभी क्या रहेगा? अब इस पोजीशन पे या तो D आएगा 6th one, D आएगा या फिर F आएगा, 2 ही बचते हैं. दोनों ही नहीं आ सकते इस पोजीशन पर. So this is also eliminates out, right? चलिए, now come to the last one. ये बचता है बस, यही सही होएगा फिर तो. A इसी जगह कर लेते हैं. So put A here. So this should be E, C, A, C, E, B, because these 4 persons should be at 4 consecutive places. Left A to B, left to right, right? Ab, so you cannot put D here. There is restriction only at this place, right? Put D at this place. No restriction for D. F is a so that is the correct scenario, guys. That's the correct scenario. That's the final arrangement, basically, right? So question is, how many persons are there to the right of D? How many persons are there to the right of D? First, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 persons, guys. Correct option is D. Correct option is D. Right. So, guys, that's all for this video, guys. In next session, I will discuss a beautiful set on this linear arrangement problem, right? So see you all in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Thank you guys and all the best.